Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, Faisal here, and at this video I would like to give you a tutorial, CCNP tutorial with the material Redistribute OSPF and Redistribute RIPv2 in EIGRP. Okay, so here we got the topology and also the description about the topology. First, for router 1, we got IP loopback 0 with the IP address 1.1.1.1 prefix 32, and also IP loopback 1, the IP address is 100.100.100.1 prefix 32, and it will be advertised by OSPF. And then for the EIGRP later on, do not forget, when we advertise the OSPF, we will use the area 0, and for the EIGRP, and then for interface E0/0, we will use the IP address 10.10.10.1 prefix 24, and it will be advertised by using EIGRP, and the IS is 10. And then we got router 2. Router 2, we will just do normal configuration. Just use EIGRP for all the IP address. First, we got the IP loopback, that is loopback 0. The IP address is 2.2.2.2 with the prefix /32. And then for interface E0/0, it will be used IP address 10.10.10.1 prefix 24. And then for interface E0/1, it will be used IP address 20.20.20.1 prefix 24. All of the IP address, it will be advertised by EIGRP. Next, we got router 3, that we got IP loopback 0. It is 3.3.3 prefix 32, and IP loopback 1, that is 300. Sorry, this is not 300. That is 200. It is 200. This, it is not 300 but 200.1 prefix 32, and it will be also advertised by RIPv2. And then we got for interface E0/0, it will be use IP address 20.20.20.1.2, sorry, prefix 24. And interface E0/0, it will be advertised by EIGRP with the autonomous system 10, sorry. Okay, so I have configured all of the router here. First, let's open router 1. Here, I configured router 1. First, let me show you my configuration. Do show run. As you can see here, for interface loopback 0, we got IP address 1.1.1 with the prefix 32. The subnet is 255.255.255.255. Then we got interface loopback 1 with the IP address 100.1 with the prefix also prefix 32. Then interface E0/0, it will be used IP address 10.10.10.1 with the prefix /24. The subnet is 255.255.255.0. Then we can see here for the routing protocol, we got EIGRP with the autonomous system 10. And for network that will be advertised is network from interface E0/0, that is 10.10.10.0/24. And then do not forget to add redistribute command, redistribute OSPF1, because here I configure router OSPF as OSPF1 and metric 1.1.11111. Then next, we continue here. We got another routing protocol, that is OSPF, with the router ID 1.1.1.1. Then we got the network. The first network is interface loopback 0, that is 1.1.1.1/32 with the area 0. And then we got the second network, that is 100.100.100.1, and it also advertise in area 0 or backbone area. Okay, that's all. Then let's move to router 2. Wait. Oh, sorry guys. Wait a minute. Okay, we're back again. Here, as you can see, let's show the show run. First, we got the interface loopback 0 with the IP address 2.2.2.2 prefix 32, and then interface E0/0 that connected with router 1 with using IP address 10.10.10.2 prefix /24. And then we got interface E0/0 E0/1, this one, that connected with router 3 using IP address 20.20.20.1/24. Then here, as you can see, we only use one routing protocol, that is EIGRP. That is EIGRP 10 with the network IP loopback 2.2.2, and then network interface E0/0 10.10.10.2, and then interface E0/1 20.20.20.0. Okay, that's all. Let's move to router 3. Here in router 3, as you can see, sorry. Here, for interface loopback 0, we got the IP address 3.3.3 prefix /32, and the interface loopback 1, as you can see here, 200.1 prefix 32, not 100, yeah, it's wrong. Then interface E0/0 that using IP address 20.2/24. And then for routing protocol, we got EIGRP. The only network that advertised by EIGRP is 20.2. And then do not forget to add redistribute RIP metric 1111. And then in the second routing protocol, we got RIP version 2, and then network 3.3.3/32, and it is also there is network 200.200.1/32 also, and then we add no auto summary. Now let's recheck the routing table in router 1. As you can see here, we got the prefix for IP loopback router 2, and then we got DEX for EIGRP external or external routing protocol. Another routing protocol that is 3.3.3 that is RIP. And then we got 20.20.20. It is network router 3 between router 3 and router 2. And then there's another DEX for RIP from router 3. Then let's see routing table from router 2. We got the OSPF routing network from router 1, that is 1.1.1. And also we got the RIP from router 3. Also we got the OSPF from router 1, and we also got the RIP from router 3. Let's check also. Sorry. Routing table from router 3, we got USPF from router 1, 1.1.1, and also 100.100.0. Okay, now from router 3, we try to ping 10.10.1. Okay, it's a success, and we also try to ping 1.1.1.1. It's also success. 100 ping. All of them is success. It means that our configuration is success. There is no any problem at all. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching my video. Finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.